Outency, I'm Alicia, and in today's episode, we are going to talk about branding. So, a brand is a product or service or a concept that is publicly distinguished from other products, services, or concepts so that it can be easily communicated and usually marketed. Branding is the process of creating and disseminating the brand name, its qualities and personality. There are several types of branding. So let us see which type of branding suits you. Branding is a marketing practice that helps individuals to differentiate your business, product or services from others. There are several types of branding that may add value to your company depending on your target audience, industry, budget and marketing concept. Personal branding describes branding that is used for an individual person instead of branding for a whole business. This type of branding is often used to establish a person's character, personality, or work as a brand. This is one of the most popular branding types. Product branding focuses on the making a single product distinct and recognizable. Symbol or designs are an essential part of product branding to help your customer identify your product easily. Corporate branding is a core value of business and a philosophy that a business develops to present itself to the world and its own employees. Service branding leverages the need of the customers. Companies that uses service branding seek to provide their customers with a world-class service. Online branding, also known as internet branding, helps businesses to position themselves as a part of the online marketplace. This type of branding includes a company's website, social media platforms, blogs, and other online content. Last one is this type of branding is also known as minimalist branding. These brands are often generic brands that seek to let their products speak for themselves without all the extras money others provide their consumers with. Let us know in the comment section which type of branding suits you. For more content, subscribe to Outency.